What happens when you try to clap with just one hand? We spend our lives searching for answers. We believe every question must have a solution. Every problem must make sense. But some questions are different. What is the sound of one hand clapping? At first, the mind struggles. It looks for logic. It looks for rules. It looks for proof. But the harder we think, the further the answer slips away. Slowly, something changes. We stop forcing meaning. We stop chasing noise. In the silence, we begin to listen, not with the mind, but with awareness. And in that stillness, we realize, not all truths are meant to be explained. Some are meant to be felt. The sound of one hand clapping is silence, and silence is enough.